मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। Q3 रिजल्ट टुडे Adani Green, JSW Steel, BPCL, Cipla, IndusInd Bank over 50 companies to declare earnings. Godrej Consumer Products, Urban Company, Paras Defense and Space Technologies are among the companies that will declare earnings on Friday. Over 50 companies will declare the result for Q3 financial year 2026 on the Jan 2023. Important companies that will announce their result for the third quarter on Jan 23 include IndusInd Bank, India Cement, JSW Steel, Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Adani Green, Energy and Urban Company. Several of these companies could also announce dividends. Some of them have also announced the schedule for their earnings. Call to discuss the result for Q3 financial year 2026. List of companies declaring Q3 result on Jan 2023. Adani Green Energy, Advani Hotel and Resort, Anka India Ltd, Ashish Polyplast Ltd, Otul Ltd, BPCL, Ashish Finance Based Limited और many others company their Q3 result declare करिए। और अदानी ग्रीन एनर्जी Q फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 का जो रिपोर्ट आया है जो 4.3% ईयर ऑन ईयर डिक्लेयर इन कंसोलिडेटेड टोटल इनकम to reach 3,249 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from reach 3,396 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Profit rose to 25% YOY to reach 644 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from reach 515 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. JSW Steel Q2 financial year 2026 result. JSW Steel saw a 13.77% YOY increases in consolidated revenue from operation to reach 45,152 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from reach 3,984 crore in Q2 financial year 2025. Profit after tax increased 307.4% YOY to reach 1,646 crore in Q2 financial year 2026 from reach 404 crore in the same period in the previously financial year.